Welcome everyone to this week's Changelog. My name is Jacob. I'm joined today by John. How are you doing today, John?
Hey, Jacob. What do we got this week?
So this week we have a hackathon called Radar. It just started. It's run by the Coliseum team. If you are building on Solana or you're interested in starting building on Solana, this is the perfect chance to do so. Definitely just register now and go get started with the hackathon. There will be plenty of things going on this week. If you want office hours or you want to learn more about how to build on different things on Solana, go check them out. But yeah, and then we have a number of things happening with 2.0. Do you want to give a little summary of that, John?
Sure. With the 2.0 upgrade, there are a couple RPC methods that will be removed. These are the ones listed. So if you're currently using them, please migrate to the recommended new RPC calls.
Yeah, definitely check with your RPC provider as well on their timing of when they're upgrading to 2.0 so you can understand what your limitation or when you need to absolutely upgrade. And then for commits this week, we have quite a few of them this week. So the first one we have here, this is by John Jinque. This is updating the standard entry point that everybody uses to avoid some heap allocations, which is really cool. So he's added a new way of doing an entry point that saves roughly about 30 CUs per account passed to a program. And this will affect all programs out there, which is really cool to see. So it's awesome that we are continuing to see little improvements or optimizations on the lower level of a program, and it will affect all of them across everything deployed. And then next up, we have this new change by Noah. So in the same line of thinking of, hey, we have all these RPCs methods being removed in 2.0, this is how to fix the stake accounts on the Explorer for when the get stake activation call gets removed. Now note, if you want to go figure out how to do that yourself, there is a link right here that will teach you exactly how to do that. You can literally just copy and paste the code, just like Noah did for the Explorer. And then what have you seen this week, John?
Shout out to Acheron for this new update to Anker, where so currently Anker is able to resolve PDAs for you. For accounts it couldn't resolve, it used to throw this generic error, but it didn't tell you which account was causing the error. With this new update, you now know which PDA is causing the error, which will save you some time when you're debugging.
Yeah, I love this. Yes, I love this change. It's very helpful for any type of developer.
Next, shout out to Hardhat Chad for releasing this Rust wallet adapter, which works with the Deoxys framework. So Deoxys is a framework for building front ends in Rust. So if you're currently a Rust developer that's interested in front ends, this is a good opportunity to check out the Deoxys framework. And if you're a front end developer interested in Rust, this is also a good chance to build some Rust front ends on Solana as well, because the Deoxys framework is, the syntax for the Deoxys framework is based on Rust, so it should be familiar.
Have you ever used it before?
Yeah, I've played around with it.
What did you build with it?
Not much, just like their like walkthrough tutorial, just to see how it works, because I was like, oh, Rust, what can I do with it? You can build front ends apparently, so this is like one of the top choices.
That's funny. I've never thought of doing that before. That's really cool.
Yeah. So with the upcoming hackathon, definitely check out this repo and see what you can build.
Awesome. And then finally, we have the StackExchange League. So we see the top is Jimmy and John, and then we have some newcomers that I haven't seen before: Saidu, Mitch, Hawa, Callan. Really cool to see all these people showing up at the top of the leagues here. Congratulations to them. If you are interested in helping out all current and future developers on Solana, definitely contribute back to the StackExchange, upvote good answers, good questions, and help everyone else out. But that's all we have for you this week, and we will see you next week. Thank you.
See you.